Allied health professionals. Community health. The health of the community depends on a larger number of people other than medical practitioners and nurses. These can be grouped under the headline of allied health professionals. They include the following: physiotherapists, physicians, help people to move by getting them to do exercise or by treating their body with heat or massage. Treatment by manipulating muscles and joints with the hands. Occupational therapists help people with a disability to perform tasks at home and at work. A disability is a physical or mental condition that makes it difficult to live normally, for example, blindness or deafness. Social workers help people to solve their social problems, for example, poor housing or unemployment or family problems. Chiropodists, also known as podiatrists, treat conditions affecting the feet. Technicians. There are numerous technicians, people who work with scientific equipment, such as radiographers, who are known as X-ray technicians. Ambulance technicians work in the emergency medicine service. An ambulance technician with more advanced qualification is called a paramedic. C. Prosthetists and orthosists. Prosthetic and orthostic provide care for anyone who needs an artificial limb or a device to support control part of the body. They also advise on rehabilitation, helping patients return to normal life and work after treatment. Prosthetic provides artificial replacement for patients who have had an amputation or were born without a limb. Orthotists provide a range of splint and other devices to aid movement, correct deformity from an abnormal development of part of the body, for example, clubfoot, and relieve pain. Opticians. Opticians rest eyesight and prescribe glasses, also known as spectacles and contact lenses when necessary. The examination includes measuring intraocular pressure, the pressure of fluid inside the eye, and examining the retina. If the optician suspects any disease, such as glaucoma, they refer the patient to their GP for treatment. The GP may then refer the patient to an ophthalmologist, a doctor who specializes in disease of the eye. Profesionales de la salud aliados. Salud comunitaria. La salud de la comunidad depende de un gran número de personas, además de los médicos y enfermeros. Estos pueden agruparse bajo el encabezado de profesionales de la salud aliados. Incluyen los siguientes. Los fisioterapeutas ayudan a las personas a moverse haciendo ejercicio o tratando el cuerpo con calor. Tratamiento mediante la manipulación de músculos y articulaciones con las manos. Los terapeutas ocupacionales ayudan a las personas con una discapacidad a realizar tareas en casa y en el trabajo. Una discapacidad es una condición física o mental que hace que sea difícil vivir normalmente, por ejemplo, ceguera o sordera. Los trabajadores sociales ayudan a las personas a resolver sus problemas sociales, por ejemplo, la pobreza, el desempleo o problemas familiares. Los podólogos, también conocidos como podiatras, tratan las afecciones que afectan los pies. Técnicos. Hay numerosos técnicos, personas que trabajan con equipos científicos, como los radiógrafos, que son conocidos como técnicos de rayos X, los técnicos de ambulancia, trabajan en el servicio de urgencias médicas. Un técnico de ambulancia con cualificaciones más avanzadas se llama paramédico. Protecistas en ortesistas. Los protecistas y ortesistas brindan atención a cualquier persona que lo necesite, que necesite una extremidad artificial, una prótesis o un dispositivo para apoyar a controlar una parte del cuerpo. También aconsejan sobre la rehabilitación, ayudan a los pacientes a volver a la vida normal después del tratamiento. Los protecistas proporcionan reemplazos artificiales para pacientes que han sufrido una amputación o que nacieron sin una extremidad. Los ortesistas proporcionan una variedad de férulas y otros dispositivos para ayudar a la amplitud de movimiento, corregir deformidades debidas a un desarrollo anormal de una parte de un cuerpo, por ejemplo, el pie sambo, y aliviar dolores. Ópticos. Los ópticos prueban la vista y recetan gafas, también conocidos como anteojos, y lentes de contacto cuando es necesario. El examen incluye la medición de la presión intraocular, la presión del fluido dentro del ojo y el examen de la retina. Si un óptico sospecha una enfermedad ocular, como el glaucoma, remite al paciente a su GP para el tratamiento. El GP puede entonces remitir al paciente a un oftalmólogo, un médico que se especializa en enfermedades del ojo. Make word combinations using a word from each box. Ambulance technician, artificial limb, club foot, contact lens, health professional, intraocular pressure, social worker, occupational therapist. Which allied health professional could best help the following people? A young unmarried woman who has just had a baby, social worker. A woman who is having difficulty using their right arm following a fracture, physiotherapist. Someone who needs glasses, optician. An elderly woman who has had a below knee amputation, prosthetic. A man with has Alzheimer's disease, social worker. um, a man with a fungal infection on his pit, podiatrist. Complete the test. A prosthetic works with patients of all ages as a member of a clinical team based at a large hospital. The patient may need a prosthetic as the result of an accident of amputation following a disease such as diabetes. Alternatively, they may have been born without a limb. Orthotists work alongside doctors, nurses, physiotherapists, and occupational therapists to give the people under their care the best possible rehabilitation. Their main aim is to enable the patient to lead a normal life at work and leisure. An orthotist often works in a clinic as a part of an outpatient service and also visit other centers to provide a service for people with special needs. They deal with people of all ages. For instance, children who have cerebral palsy may require arthrosis to help them um, walk, and many older people need special shoes to correct deformity. If damage any part of the human skeleton may require some forms of orthosis. The orthosis may be need to reposition of the body or to relieve pain.